Has the investor base for de-SPACs changed, and how should sponsors think about targeting them?
The unicorn is the fundamental investor that's going to, buy the stock in the market between announcement and closing. We've had, I think, 4 deals over the years that have had no redemptions or very minimal redemptions, but in each of those cases there was almost 100% migration, where the existing SPAC holders sold to somebody else at $11 or $12, and then nobody's going to buy the stock at $11 and then or $12, or 20% above cash, and then redeem at $10. So the real game is to find those transactions where real fundamental investors want to buy the stock. Our first SPAC did a $70 million pipe with Putnam and Par Capital in sort of an airline services business. Those are fundamental long-term investors that wanted to own the story. You saw Lionsgate last year. You had big name fundamental investors who wanted to own that story. So ideally, and there have been a handful of these other deals where you've got fundamental investors who want to take a big position in the story today, and that hasn't changed.